Hallo und willkommen! Welcome to my YouTube channel German with Claudia. Let me ask you 3 questions. Do you ever get frustrated with your German and you're looking for a more practical approach to learn? Do you find it challenging to speak German to others and want to find a way to speak German with ease and confidence? And are you ambitious enough to get the job done? If the answers are yes, then you are in the right place. This channel is all about getting your German right, from grammar to speaking, and making it part of your life, your career and your future. Did you know that Germany needs to increase its workforce by 1 million people each year to sustain its economy? And being fluent in a second language can actually increase your salary by 4 to 5%. Also, studying at university in Germany is free. You just need to pay an admin fee. Hi, I'm Claudia Dixon and I'm a native German tutor and language specialist. I've been working with professionals and ambitious young adults for the past 28 years. I'm very passionate about German and helping you to achieve excellence in German and speak German like a native. Now, if you have any questions, pop them into the comments below and I will answer them either in a comment or in another video, because I'm really sure that others may have exactly the same question as you. So, if you want to make German part of your life, your career and your future, then subscribe to my channel. Also, alles Gute und bis dann. Tschüss!